Hello, Namaste. I welcome you all in another episode of Nitra Talks. My name is Netra Kher. I am a counseling psychologist by profession and RBT practitioner. Today is our third episode of activity learning series. Yes, so we are going to start with the same activity, same actually the object which is glass, and our learning today is going to be about time management. Yes, so with this glass, how we are going to learn time management, you will learn soon. Okay, so there are two important components when we are thinking about time management. First thing is urgency, how urgent that task is and how important that task is. So if we plan our day accordingly, our life becomes easy. So I'm going to take these bigger stones and going to add it inside, which signifies it's a urgent and important task and needs to be done immediately. Yes, so I'm adding these stones which are urgent and important. So this urgent and important thing means what again? These tasks are, maybe there is submission in college or school, or there is submission in your office for appraisal that is very important. It holds a lot of marks and it needs to be submitted at the time, and it's very heavy also. So that is very important and urgent both. There are few tasks which are very urgent but not that important. For example, if there is assignment given by your professor or a teacher, or maybe if there is any submission in your submission of any important documents in your office, okay, your appraisal or other things are not dependent on that, but still you have to do that because it's urgent and if there is a deadline. So here are little smaller stones which I am going to add in this, which are urgent but not important. Okay, few more. Yes, there are many such urgent tasks which we need to do. You think it's full? No, na? There is space in it. So what is we are going to fill this space with? We are going to fill this space with the tasks which are important but not urgent. For example, any concept we need to learn. If we need to prepare for some presentation, maybe that is not urgent, but that is important. Hmm? Yeah, so you need to do that for yourself. So I'm going to add some thing, some element in it, which will fill this gap. Yes. So these are the tasks which are not so urgent but definitely important. Hmm? You will say there is still space remaining. I'm trying to fill with this important task, but still there is space remaining. How we are going to fill that with? So there are few tasks in our life which are not urgent, not important. For example, Instagram, Facebook, television, Twitter, yes, social media, or there are n number of things in which we waste our time, which are not urgent, not important, but we do engage in them. So I'm going to add water in this, which signifies it's not urgent, not important. So does it full now? Yes, definitely. Yeah. So this is the way in which this is ideal way of filling first the urgent important task, urgent then not important, important but not urgent, and not urgent not important at the last. But what we generally do, that I will show you now. This is you, and in you what you do is you add water which is not urgent, not important, and you start your day like this with not urgent, not important task. going here and there and just doing time pass or something or the other. You're getting bored, not feeling like working, something like that. And then you suddenly remember there is a task which you need to do, which is urgent and important, and you need to send that to your boss or you need to submit that to your teacher. Yeah, at that point in time, the tasks come in your way and you feel like, okay, I need to do this, I need to do this, oh my god, how will I do this? Yeah, that you try to fill in by some or the other way. Then there are tasks which you remember are urgent, but not that important. Yeah, yeah, so you fill that up with urgent and important tasks. Okay, so these are tasks which are urgent but not so important. So our glass is full here only. What about the tasks which are important? What about the tasks which are important but not so urgent? There is no space remaining for that. So this is a wrong way of filling your glass. You need to fill the glass first with urgent important things, then with the things which are urgent but not important, then with important and not so urgent, and then with not so urgent and not so important. When we fill things first with not urgent and not important tasks, this happens and it will overflow with not necessary things. So when we are sitting on our social media, we need to be little vigilant about our time. That's the only message I wanted to give you. You will get many quadrants related to this. I will also share one with you. Yeah, so the quadrant which explains this all four concepts which are related to the two major concepts, which is urgent and important. Sharing is a good deed, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy sharing.